So I'm talking this afternoon about the dashboard tool. I'm William Norley, and I'm a metadata developer at Closer. The area that I work in is with information which has been added to Discovery and trying to improve quality control in the information which is currently in Discovery. The dashboards tool allows us to look at information in Closer Discovery before it is published and display it in a concise form for checking. We use Galactica software development kit for this tool primarily as it provides more powerful functionality for us to retrieve the information required. This provides a quicker and easier way to perform quality control and check on what has been added to Discovery. The attributes that we are showing on the dashboard are freeform strings containing details about the content. This opens up the possibility of human error. There are inconsistencies in the label, e.g. when we end up with two items exactly the same but spelled differently. Also, we get attributes which are blank that need to be added to Discovery. Using this tool allows us to see, identify, and take action to correct these. We also have totals for all of these attributes and links to view them. We are currently looking at 3 different attributes: life stage, which relates to the various life stages of participants; creator, which is the people responsible for creating this study; publisher, which relates to the organization responsible for this study. We can see here all the life stages in Discovery. There are 3 inconsistencies on this page: early adulthood, third age, and 60 to 74. Also a life stage with no description. We are displaying here all the creators. We can see where there are studies without a creator, which need to be added to Discovery, as well as inconsistencies. And here we see all the publishers in Discovery. We can see 2 different inconsistencies on publisher: Center for Longitudinal Studies and National Children's Bureau. On studies, here we display a list of all studies in Discovery, along with a count of all data sets and questionnaires. The first reason for this is to ensure agencies are correct for studies. We can also check the numbers before and after adding content to Discovery to ensure that we get the expected result. Finally, we can check for inconsistencies in the naming of data sets or questionnaires. Clicking the count for a study displays the details for these data sets or questionnaires, as well as a link to Discovery. This not only allows us to identify them, but also correct any issues in the content. On this page, we can see the studies. We can see all the data sets and questionnaires. And here we've clicked on the data set and we can see the data set for a selected item. And this is a similar thing where we're looking at the questionnaire. That's when we click on a questionnaire, we display the data collection and then all questionnaires within a data collection. This is just the beginning, and more tools will be added to the dashboard as needed. Thank you very much for your time today.